Welcome to Brain Vision.
We have 21.6 kilograms of nitrogen in a gas at 3.85 nitrogen gas in a fixed volume at 3.85 atmosphere. What would happen if we replace it with 21.6 kilograms of CO2 is the question. So the volume is same in both the cases. We want to find the P. Now we know that PV is equal to nRT, and R is a constant for all gases, which means we can see that PV by NT is a constant, which means we can write P1V1 by N1T is equal to P2V2 by N2T. We know that the temperature is the same and so is the volume. So that leaves us P1 by N1 is equal to P2 by N2. So pressure is P1 times N2 by N1. We know that the number of moles of any gas is mass of the gas times the molar mass of the gas. So that gives us P1 times M2 by M2, capital M2 by M1 by capital M1. Now we know that M1 and M2 are both 21.6 kilograms, so we can cancel that. So that's P1 is 3.85 atmospheres times, we can write this as M1 by M2. M1 is the molar mass of nitrogen, which is 28.01 U, divided by M2 is the molar mass of carbon dioxide, which is 44.01 U. We can cancel the units U, giving us P2 is equal to, by substituting into a calculator, we can see it is 2.45 atmosphere.